Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 10. Watch this video until the end. And pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. Before going to the tutorial, here I will give an example when I click on the link. When the link is opened, the browser is the default one on Windows 10 at the moment, and we will change it. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.